Hi traders, welcome to my channel. We are starting our next stock review of the American stock market. So American Express, there is a deal from the level 356, but it has gone far away. So if you want to, you can set a limit order from this level and stop loss respectively to this bar. I won't. Bank of America, I'm in a deal. I can move my stop loss and break even. I can move my take profit. What's the target? No target. Okay, let's see what will happen. Caterpillar. There is a deal, of course. Look, it's better to set a pending order from the level 904. Let me see closer. So new order, stop order, price 904, and stop loss respectively to today's bar everywhere here 889.9. 889.9. Stop loss is rather big, about $14, so be careful with your account. CSCO is falling down. eBay, let's wait on the level 116.8, not early. General Electric, sideways trend, no deal. GILD, we have to wait on the level 137.14, not early. IBM, look where is IBM, what will happen? Nobody knows. No deal. And Netflix, I'm in a deal. I've sold it. If you are not in a deal, you can sell it yet by market and stop loss everywhere here to this level, to the level 75.5. I think it's going down with a target 70.98. Okay, and also I want to show you one interesting share, Michael Kors. Yeah, Michael Kors. Let's see. Michael Kors. Look, there was primary movement. After, let's make a secondary movement to the level 1673. So we can try to sell it. And there is a place where to set a stop loss. Stop loss everywhere here. So new order, stop order, more or less by market. 160. The price 16.0. And stop loss here 17. 170. Let me sell it. Okay, I think it will be a good deal. Let me see where it can come. Here is the target. Look, let me see how it looks at H4 time frame. It's a very good deal, I think. Okay, and the review is all for today. Have a good trade. See you next review.